I didn't got it. I didn't got that one. That was so good. Killer, man! It's killing everybody. That's a killer instinct.
It's gonna stop. You don't have to be scared. It's just like it's scary, but it's okay. It's just raining. The rain is not gonna hurt you.
It's going harder on me.
I know, but it's not gonna hurt you. It's gonna stop.
I got that one too. Yeah, I got that one too. I'm getting all the good ones now.
Should you put the camera on? Like that.
It's gonna get wet. I got that one. Creo que sale uno con Thunder.
The music. It looks like I would have let it go inside. No?
Ooh, I got that one good. Ooh, I got the good one now. I'm so scared. Oh hell no, this is killing us. This is killing the people here of South Dakota. Nebraska is killing us. It's hitting us.
It's Iowa, I think.
I mean, it's Iowa. We're in Mexico. Oh, you saw that one? Oh my goodness. Estamos aquí en Tijuana. Estamos aquí en Nebraska. Aquí con la María, la Valeria, el cuate, el otro cuate. Uy, ¿se miraron esa tornada? Oh, ¿ya se vieron eso? Oh my goodness. ¿Quién como yo? Yo soy el mejor. Esto lo voy a poner en YouTube, en las mejores noticias del mundo. Se va a acabar el fin del mundo. ¿Sí miraron? Mira. Oh. Ya, pues ya me cansé.